Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Please subscribe it if you are new. And today I will talk about this broker, which is Olymp Trade. This is one of my favorite broker that I trade binary options with. And this is my live account, my USD account. I have $5,800 in this account. But anyway, I recommend you to first go to a demo account like this one. And before you go to real account, it's important for you to practice enough. Alright, guys, let's start with this video. I want to apply my favorite indicator, which is the Bollinger Band. Look, I use the default setting, 20 period and 2 standard deviation. So you can use the same. Besides the Bollinger Band, I usually use an oscillator. It could be the RSI or the CCI, whichever is good. So guys, I also want to remember you, if you are new in this broker or in trading, below this video you will find a link to this broker and a complete tutorial about everything you can see in this broker. So I'm going to trade this pair because it's offering 84% of profit. So guys, the strategy is very simple. If you haven't seen this video, for example, in my YouTube channel, which is this one, I recommend you to see, because I explain some details about this strategy. And obviously, remember to subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, let's see some other pairs on the meantime. Let me check which one is giving us an opportunity. Okay, we have the gold here giving an opportunity. And yes. Alright guys. As you can see, I made the entry just at the close of this candlestick. But this candlestick already, let me open up this tool. This is a tool that I use to draw on the screen. This tool is called Point Office. I will leave it on the description of the video too. So guys, you can see here I made this entry just right here at the close of this candlestick. But I made the entry because we have a divergence. We have a divergence with the CCI and the Bollinger Band. This is a divergence. They are also at the lower Bollinger Band. So you can see here, I won this trade. So guys, this is what I won, $8. And this is my real account. Look how I'm performing in this broker. Maybe I can have another opportunity here if the price touch the lower Bollinger Bands again, or at least close near this low. This low. But remember, we are missing 32 seconds for this candlestick to finish. So we need to wait. We need to be patient in that case. And as you can see, the CCI indicator keeps making divergence with the Bollinger Bands. Divergence is very simple to understand. While the Bollinger Band is down, this oscillator is up. As simple as that. That is right, let's do it. That is a divergence. Okay, if it goes down again, I will make another entry, up entry. Okay, so guys, a key point to be profitable in the trading is to be patient and be strict to your strategy. Okay, don't get upset if you lose a trade. Remember, it's something, it's part of the process of learning how to trade. So guys, I think that we won this trade too. Yes, 1 second, and of course we won this trade too, guys. So maybe you understand everything. You understand everything that I'm explaining, every details, because it's very simple to follow this strategy. As I told you, the key point here is to be patient. Here, this level, I don't make any other entry because I already made the 2 or 3 entries that I should make when the price touch these lower bollinger bands. So if I want to make another call option here, another entry, another trade, I need the price to go lower. A little bit lower of this level. So for that reason, I want to see other pair. Let me check. All right, let's do it. We have the price on the overbought zone here. On the upper bollinger band, out of the upper bollinger bands. So let me check something. Yes, we can have that. We have the price is reaching a resistance zone, so it's something else that we have to take in consideration. And besides this, the price being on the overbought zone, we have the price far away from the average. Okay, on the CCI indicator. So that means this indicator proves that is also on the overbought zone. As simple as that. We won this trade too, guys. As you saw, we won this trade. Alright guys, I think I will make another trade if this candlestick close near this high, inside of this high. I will make another entry, a down entry, but I will make it because it's a little bit risky, this one. I will just put $5, and yeah, I did it. As I told you, this candlestick close inside of this high, the previous high, the previous highs candlestick. So what I think is that the market is rejecting this level. We are winning. We are winning this one. We are missing 22 seconds, so we just need to wait if we can win this one. And I told you at the beginning, it's a little bit risky because the price is trending, and it's trending higher and higher, and just made a new higher before this trade. Alright guys, we won this trade too. So let me see if we can have another opportunity on the same zone. Okay guys, that's it for today. So please subscribe it for the next video and hit the like button